On Dinosaur Train, there are lots of funny-sounding dino names, like Micropachycephalosaurus. Micropachycephalosaurus! That's the longest dinosaur name in the book, and it means tiny, thick-headed lizard, because scientists think Micropachycephalosaurus was super small, with a pretty thick noggin. Discover more dinos with all your Dinosaur Train friends at PBSKids.org. Now stick around, there's more to explore next on PBS Kids.